Hi, I'm Julia, Reference Librarian at McAllen Public Library. Welcome to Creative Tech, where we'll be looking at ways that technology and design can make your life a little bit easier and a little bit more fun. So now that a new year is about to start, you probably have some New Year's resolutions, and one of those resolutions might be to stay organized and get organized this year. Using a calendar or planner at home to plan your different projects at home, around the house, at work, it's a great way to stay organized and keep on track with your New Year's resolutions and New Year's goals. And a great way to do that, to get started with making a calendar or a planner, is on Canva. You don't have to buy a calendar or a planner. You can design your own, customize your own on Canva and print it out, either at a printer at home or from the printer at the computer lab here at the library. So the website is www.canva.com. We've gone over it before in some other videos on here. If you pay for it, you get some more options, some more templates, but there's still a lot that you can do on Canva for free. So to get started, you go up here in the search box and you type either calendar or planner or whatever kind of project you want to work on. So we'll do calendar. Now, once you're here on the menu of the calendars, there are a lot of options. You can see some of them have the dates already on there and some of them don't. Some of them you need to fill in the date. If it's one that already has the dates on there, like this one, just be careful that the dates are accurate for the 2021 year. Over here on this page, this is one that I already started working on. You can see it has different pages for each month. It has one for each month of the year. And this one is blank, so what you would do is just fill in the numbers yourself. Now you can also customize a lot of things on here, like you can customize the colors. Like let's say, for example, you don't like the yellow background and you want to use a different color. You just click on the page so that the whole page is selected. Like the whole page has the little turquoise border around it. That means the whole page is selected. And the color is up here. That's the background color. So you click on that and it'll let you change it. These are the colors that are already in the document. These are the default Canva colors, or you can also go up here to the rainbow thing and choose any color you want. So you just slide this color slider here, you can choose any color. So like let's say, for example, that you like that. You can go down here and you can change it so that it's just on that page, or you can change all of the pages with the yellow background to the pink background, whichever you like. So we'll do that. And now you can see the background is pink. And you can also change, for example, the font of the month. This is the default font for the template, but there are a lot of other fonts on here that you can choose. Like let's say, for example, you like that one. You can select that one. And you can also change the text color. Right now it's this navy blue color, but you can change it to any other color you like. You can choose a default color or another color from the document, or you can go up here to the rainbow slider and choose your own color, like we did for the background. And you can do all of the pages differently, or you can make all of the pages the same, however you like. And once you are ready, you've finished it, you're customized it how you like, you go up here to download and download it in PDF format. PDF is the default. It has some other options on here, but for printing, PDF is the best. So just leave it on that. And then you click on download. You download it to your computer and you print it out. And then you are all set for staying organized and getting started in the new 2021 year. Now, let's say that what you want is not a traditional monthly calendar. Let's say you want like a planner that you can put on the fridge, something to keep your day organized, plan out your tasks for that day. Canva has a lot of templates for that also. You just go back up to the search box and search for planner. And you can see it has 351 templates on here. So you can see there are tons of choices, and it works similar to how it did with the calendar we just did. You can choose any one that looks like something you would like let's say you like that one. You can customize all different kinds of things about it, just like we did on the calendar. You can customize the color. If you click on the text, you can customize the font. So you can customize it however much you like. So this is another great way to stay organized in the new year. This was Julia, and thank you for watching. Be sure to follow MPL Adults on Facebook and McAllen Public Library on YouTube, and don't miss any of our virtual programs.